Yes, hello and welcome to my training program. We're going to talk about the risk to reward ratio today. And as you can see from the time here, it's almost time for the New York Open. So I'm going to go with the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen because you can see from the percentage here that it seems to have gone up today. So the first thing you want to do when you're looking at a chart is, I'll just wait for my charts to come on. Okay, the first thing you want to do is check out what is happening on the day chart. And you can see that for the last maybe 10 days, the share price has been going down, which is indicated by these bearish move, the red candles coming down. And it seems to have broken some sort of support. That's your support right there. You have how many touches? I'll just draw it out for you. We have about 4 touches all over here, as you can see. And we have another touch here. And we have about 3 more touches here. So this is a very strong support. And on the day chart, a candle has actually opened under the support. So we can say for the whole of the day, it has been going down. And we should be expecting a pullback anyway. So we've determined on the day chart that this is going to go down. It's been going down. So check the 60-minute chart. That's the 1-hour chart. And you can see this very tall spike here. It has broken some sort of resistance. I'll draw it out for you. Yeah, it has broken that resistance, so we can see this is going up. Bear in mind that each time frame you look at, the charts actually change. So on the 15-minute chart, you can see that it's definitely still going up. So I'm going to place a trade to make money going up. So in the meantime, while I wait for my spreads, just look at the top right-hand corner here. Sorry, left. I got in on the 15-minute chart based on this series of green candles, which is the bullish candle going up. It has broken this resistance, which I've drawn here. And anything breaking any barrier, that is where you want to be. So I'm down to, my spread is supposed to be about £6 or something. Yes, I've broken even. So where am I going to put my stop? My stop is my risk. How much am I willing to risk on this trade I just placed? So I'm going to minimize this chart. You can see that I've already broken up in profit over there. I'm going to give myself a stop of at least 10 points. I don't want to risk more than 10 points. I'm trading £1 a point, and my open price is 85.696. That's the period I entered. So where's 85.696? It's somewhere here, right here. So I said I want to make money going up. So if it's going against me, which is coming down, where do I want my stop to be? I'd like my stop to be right at the very next support level. Remember that your support can actually change with each price action. If the price action is above the previous resistance, which is here, you can see that it has gotten, there's another touch above here, which has formed a very strong resistance. So if this trade goes all the way down and comes down to this point here, then I don't want to be in this trade because it means that the trade is going against me. So let's see where my stop should be. My stop should be on 85.518 at least. 85.518. So let's quickly apply our stop. Okay, 85, that's my stop. Okay, I'll say I'm risking 10 points, so this should be my risk right here. I'm risking 10 points for this trade. So if 10 points is my risk, how much should my reward be? My reward should be at least 2 times greater than my risk. So your reward is your limit right here. I'll say I'm targeting 20 points. So that's your risk to reward ratio. You're risking 10 points to make 20 points. That's a good risk reward ratio. And done. So from this trade, you can see that I got it right based on the fact that it had broken a barrier that has not been broken in a while. Remember, we're looking at the 15-minute chart. So now it's going all the way up. It's still going up. And we want to look out for signs that is going against us, because when you're making money, you also want to make sure that you know what is happening in the market, so you're not taken unawares. So that's when I come to my 5-minute chart to see if it is still telling me the same thing it told me on my 15-minute chart. And on my 5-minute chart, yes, it's still going up. That's a very clear signal over there that it's still going up. And then I'll check the 3-minute chart, and the 3-minute chart is still telling me the same thing, so we're good. And what is the 1-minute chart telling us? Yep, still going up. So let's see what is happening now. I've already made about 6 points, because I'm trading £1 a point. If I'm trading £100 a point and it goes maybe 7 points in my favor, that's 700 I would have made. But just for tutorial reasons, I just need you guys to know where your support is and where your resistance is, which I've already showed you by this barrier that has been broken. That's why I got into the trade. And if this comes all the way down here, this is where my stop is. The very next support level. If it comes all the way down here, then it will stop me out. And I'm going to give you guys something very, very important now. Once you are making something substantial, it is important that you take your profit. There's what we call greed. You want, to keep making money, but it doesn't work like that. I believe in just going with whatever I have. A bird in hand, the saying. So just for tutorial reasons, I'm going to give myself a target of 5 points, which is not bad. So I've made 5 points over there, and that's how you do your risk to reward ratio. Thank you.